And now a page from our Sunday Morning Almanac, March 1st, 1873, 147 years ago today. The day the Remington Company started making the first commercially successful typewriter. Unlike other attempts at a typing machine, this one used the now familiar QWERTY keyboard, designed to keep the most frequently used letters from jamming up. Even so, it could only type in uppercase. Other typewriter makers also struggled with the upper and lowercase conundrum.
This is the same machine.
When our Bill Geist visited the Mesa Typewriter Exchange in Mesa, Arizona back in 2012, owner Bill Wall had a case in point.
This is a calligraph. This is an interesting machine. There's no shift key, so you had your lowercase keys, you had your uppercase keys. And this machine also was an upstrike. The print actually hit underneath. So as you were typing, you had to know what you were doing.
You couldn't see it.
You could not see what you were typing as you were typing on this machine.
Idea.
Over time, the shift key became standard, a capital improvement, you might say. And typewriters became a fixture of the modern office, not to mention a part of our popular culture. As in Jerry Lewis's comic pantomime to composer Leroy Anderson's The Typewriter. But for true devotees, there's nothing funny about the near total replacement of the clatter of typewriters by the soft hum of computers. Still, in his travels 8 years ago, Bill Geist found signs of a typewriter renaissance, including among young people learning for the first time the truly tangible satisfaction of typing on a genuine nuts and bolts machine.
You feel like a real writer, like, I don't know.